Okay, hello friends. In a previous video we are learn a different type of crystal lattice: simple cubic structure, body center cubic structure, face center cubic structure and hexagonal close pack cubic structure. Now the next part we are learn today is a average number of atom in a crystal structure or in a unit cell. Average number of atom in a crystal structure or unit cell. Why we are required this? Suppose we are made one material, and for making this material we require the average atom which are required for making this product or making this tool or making this cube or crystal structure. So there is a one formula which are very important to find the average number of atom in a unit cell or in a crystal structure. The formula is Nc upon 8 plus Nf upon 2 plus Ni upon 1. This is the formula to find N average. N average is equal to Nc upon 8 plus Nf upon 2 plus Ni upon 1. What is Nc? Number of atom at corners. What is Nf? Number of atom at faces. And what is Ni? Ni is equal to number of atom at center or interior. So today we are find the average number of atom for simple cubic structure, for body center cubic structure, and third one is the face center cubic structure. See here once again, when we are find the average number of atom in a unit cell, there is a one formula to use to find the average number of atom in a unit cell is equal to Nc upon 8 plus Nf upon 2 plus Ni upon 1. What is Nc? Nc is a number of atom at a corners. Okay. What is Nf? Number of atom at a faces. And what is Ni? Number of atom at a center. These are the nomenclature of Nc, Nf and Ni. Okay. Now we are seeing a average number of atom we are seeing for simple cubic structure. In a simple cubic structure, what we call simple cubic? Which crystal structure we call as a simple cubic structure? There are 8 atoms which are placed at the corner is known as simple cubic structure. So what is the formula to find the average number of atom? See, N average is equal to Nc upon 8 plus Nf upon 2 plus Ni upon 1. But in SCC only in SCC only number of atom at corner at 8. So we are put in this formula 8 upon 8 plus 0 plus 0, there is a 1, means average number of atom in a simple cubic structure is 1. How many? 1. Now we are seeing a second part is for BCC structure, means body center cubic structure. Once again, what is the formula to find the average number of atom in a unit cell? Very simple. An average for body center cubic structure is equal to Nc upon 8 plus Nf upon 2 plus Ni upon 1. So, but in BCC Nc is equal to 8. Why? In a body center cubic structure there are 8 atoms which are placed at the corner of crystal structure. In a faces is equal to 0 and in at a center of body is equal to 1. We are seen in a previous video, in a body center cubic structure there are 8 atoms which are placed at the corner of crystal structure and there is one atom which are placed at the body of crystal. Then we are put this value in this formula. See, 8 upon 8 plus 0 plus 1 upon 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 2, means average, an average for BCC is equal to 2, is equal to 2. And last, for face center cubic structure FCC, once again the formula is an average is equal to Nc upon 8 Nf upon 2 plus Ni upon 1. But in face center cubic structure, in a face center cubic structure, we are already seen in a previous video, in a face center cubic structure there are 8 atoms which are placed at the corner, then Nc is equal to 8 and there are 6 atoms which are placed at the face of that plane is equal to 6. In a face center cubic structure there are no any atom which are placed at the center, then Ni is equal to 0. So put this value in our formula is equal to an average for FCC is equal to 8 upon 8 plus 6 upon 2 plus 0, 1 plus this 3 is equal to 4, means an average for FCC structure is equal to 4. An average for FCC structure is equal to 4. Okay, the average number of atom for simple cubic structure is equal to 1. For BCC means body center cubic structure, the average number of atom in a unit cell is equal to 2, and the last part is for face center cubic structure, the average number of atom in a unit cell is equal to 4. This is the average number of atom in a unit cell. Thank you.